So let's solve the problem. Initially, let's create a RGB variable which will be a numpy array of zeros, right? So we have to pass a tuple in it. That would be the dimension of array. So we will be having 10 rows and 150 columns, and every pixel or every cell will be having 3 values: red value, green value, and blue value. In other words, red intensity, green intensity, and blue intensity. So let's populate it with intensities. So RGB equals to, here we are going to, by the way, if we just display it like plt.mshow, any guess what would display? RGB. So it is displaying a black image because all the values are 0 for now. So, and 0 is the color code for darker image, right? So here we'll do something like RGB, and we'll access the indices. So we have to access all the rows, right? So all the rows, and then first 50 columns. So overall these are 150 columns. So 1/3 would be 50. So all the rows, and from 0 to 50 columns, and its first channel would be 0 channel, which would be red. So we'll say it should be, its intensity should be maximum, which is 255. And then let's copy and paste it over here. Let's comment it with red. And here, from starting all the rows again, and then on the columns, we will start from 50 and end on 100. And color channel would be 1, which is color channel code for green. So it would be green, and its intensity should be the maximum. Again, let's paste it over here. And now we have to choose all the rows and columns starting from 100, ending on 150, and color channel would be 2, which is basically the third color channel, and it is blue, right? So now we have populated all the pixels inside this numpy array. So let's run it, and here you can see that it is showing first 50 columns of red, then second 50 columns for green, and then the last 50 columns for blue. It is showing us a warning, and it says that you have to make it unsigned int. So we will do something like dtype equals to, we have to mention it that it would be unsigned int of 8-bit. Let's run it. Perfect. No warning anymore. Awesome. So the second thing that we have to do is we have to plot excuse me. So we have to plot again an image of blue, green, red. So we have to do only one thing. Initially we were showing images from PLT, and Kashif told you that in CV2 the the ordering is reverse. It's now blue, green, and red. So we will not be changing anything in the code. We will just be using CV2 rather than PLT, Matplotlib. So that would do the job. Let's run it. Here you can see that ordering is changed, and now it is BGR. That's about the solution of quiz.